Alright, so I'm popping a heavenly potion. In graveyard biome. Perfect! Perfect! Graveyard. Alright, heavenly potion and oblivion potion. I'm cooking today. This is the day I cooked. I cooked earlier today as well because that's it must be a sign. Come on. I got Dutchman today. So it has to kind of be a sign, right? Come on. This isn't even true max luck. I don't know. 10, 10, 10. I better at least get something good. First heavenly potion. 3, 2, 1. Okay, serious. That's not bad. That's not bad. Oblivion potion. 3, 2, 1. I almost just took that clover that I was trying to give him. Anyway, I hate this. I actually... From an oblivion potion, I get origin. From a heavenly potion, I get serious. Like, are you serious right now? Like and subscribe.